there, welcome to Everyday Moodlings and this week's crafty challenge. I'm your host, Jeree Parks, so let's get started. This week's challenge is called Mix It Up. And what we want you to do is to combine two ingredients to create a new one. So maybe two colors of paint or acrylic medium and paint, or two colors of embossing powder, or you can mix together like glitter and clear embossing powder. Just, take two supplies and come up with a whole different product to use. So what I'm going to talk about is to create kind of custom glitter or sugar to use on your projects. Last couple weeks ago, I did a piece with a lady where I had put the new Queen & Company, I think it's called Sugar, on top of her dress, gave it a very nice textured look. You can see that on the blog. And so I thought, wouldn't it be fun to kind of try to make some of your own in whatever colors that you wanted to use. So that's what I did here. What I use actually is this Tim Holtz dry glitter rock candy. So this is a great one to use in that it's clear, so you can add in color to it. And I tried a couple of different options for coloring. There might be other ones, but these are the two that I picked. I tried just regular distressed ink, and then I also tried alcohol ink. Now I'll tell you straight away, I did not think the distressed ink would work very well because it's water soluble, so it's not going to really stick to the glitter. And then after I mix them, and I'll show them to you in just a minute, and then we'll mix up a brand new color so you can kind of see how this works. I put it through a stencil. I mixed it, I started out, I overlaid a stencil and I applied gel medium to it. So gel medium is clear, and that's what I was looking for. And then I sprinkled on top of that some of both of my custom glitter or sugars on top. And you can see, hopefully, that what happens when that orange hit it is the ink interacted with the art medium and really colored the art medium. So it turned that gel medium orange, whereas the blue, which I used a alcohol ink with, does not interact with it. They stay separate so that the color is really suspended inside that clear medium. So by and large, I recommend that you use alcohol inks. Alcohol inks come in a wide variety of color. Also wanted to show you the difference of how they looked when you mixed them together. This one stays very kind of clumpy. It loses that fine glitter aspect to it. This one with the alcohol ink retains the ability to kind of sprinkle it. This just kind of comes out in clumps. So don't recommend using a water-based ink. I recommend you use a alcohol-based ink to do this. So we're gonna make a second one with this citrus ink. These are two of the bright lines from Ranger. And again, this comes in a wide variety of colors. And I love that this comes in such a big container, so you can really mix it with a lot of, you can make a lot of custom colors. And all I did is I went ahead and I just put a few drops in, and what you're gonna notice is that it's gonna clump. And you're gonna take your palette knife and you're gonna start to break this up. And you do have to work a little bit to get it all broken up. You can also use a plastic spoon, plastic knife. You're gonna kind of get those clumps broken up so that you can really mix the color around. And this is gonna take you a little bit, so I'm gonna keep working it. I'll be right back. And so now I've got it all mixed together. You'll notice as you go through this process, it will kind of clump and you'll think, oh, I won't be able to spread that very easily. And as you continue to work it and as that color kind of spreads out, that'll fade away and you'll be back to just this nice fine crystal or glitter dust. And so there's my green, my citrus, and then this was sailboat blue. So you can come up with a wide array of glitters that'll match many of the other products that you have in your stash. If you don't always want to go with whatever colors are available, this allows you to really customize that. If you have any questions about how I did this, please be sure to let me know. I'm going to separate this video out just so that if people just want to look at how to make a custom glitter color, they know how to do that. And in the next video, we'll go ahead and finish our tag. If you have any questions, please be sure to let me know.